Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering right now, I'm just having a nice time in Brookhaven watching some TV. I'm gonna rob my safe. Oh no, come on. Where is even my safe? I forgot where my safe was. Nope, not in the bathroom. Of course, it's not. I don't like this. Oh. Well, apparently someone put a sleeping bag in my window, but that's fine. I'm just gonna rest. No, I don't want to really. No, breaking news. Oh, that's usually not on. Let's see. Gone. There's, as the weather seems, there's going to be a massive tornado hitting on Tuesday. This Tuesday. That is in 3 days. So you better get ready. You better have a basement. But if you don't have a basement, find someone that has no windows, no glass. And if you knew, like, not a lot of people have a basement in Brookhaven, or only like the rich people do, but never mind about that. But yeah, just make sure you don't get hit by the tornado, massive tornado. But I have a basement, so I'm not gonna die probably. But hopefully you won't die, and bye. What? There's a tornado hitting? Like, you didn't take that seriously. Well, it's pretty late, so I should probably get some shut-eye. Took out a sleeping bag, that's weird. Yep, I should probably get some shut-eye. Yeah, my bedroom's right here. So I'm just gonna go change. Just close the blinds. And I am pretty tired. I think it's time for a rest. But this doesn't feel comfy. How about this side? Okay, I can't go to sleep. Can't go to sleep, I'm changing back. Where we're going, I was going right here. Okay, so I can't go to sleep. Something's bothering me. I feel like I got now, like, I know I'm not taking it that seriously, but I don't know, like, is the tornado really gonna hit Brookhaven? Sometimes the news report isn't the best. There's been a few liquidated. I know they've been kind of bad news reporters, so yeah. I know I have an attic somewhere, I think. Let me go try to find that. here. I wonder where could this be? Maybe, where did I put? Oh, I know I had some stuff in here somewhere. Oh yes, in here. Let me just go search for that. Okay, here. This should have some stuff in it. Let me just go through my door back here. I see I'm on the edge, but I'm gonna see, because I can go down my basement. I'm not 100% sure that'd totally be safe, because I might need an underground bunker just in case. Maybe I should do it out here. Lots of other people maybe want to survive, because I don't get to like waste them, but they're also gonna have to find their own supplies. So, instead of fighting, I can make a bunker. A lot of space for one. The most space is in my backyard. Okay, well, I'm gonna start right here. Let's just go look through the box. Okay, some of these tents would be useful. Probably this one. Oh wow, that's way bigger than I imagined. Don't think this one worked. No. I think I have to make them more out. There's lots of police. They're probably freaking out about it. So what does this look like? I want to know. Cannot use in street. That doesn't have enough space for that. I don't know if I can make that, but I think I have some medicines to help. So over here, guess it'll be, and then I'll use this place. I know this place is like a house for sale, but I'm not sure it's gonna be like that anymore. Let me get a shovel. Oh, the shovel's somewhere in this box. Where could it be? I'm pretty sure it was here. Okay, see if I can dig a hole somehow. Okay, it's really hard. To put this tent up. I'm really tired. Set up this tent. Put this box in the car. Oh, and don't forget the shovel also. Okay. I'm gonna go to see if I get any supplies for my tent. Oh, and also let me see. Okay, just put my phone right there connected. Okay, let me see if there's any news. Hello, we got some reports that the massive tornado is most likely to hit downtown more. So if you live close to downtown, prepare more, because it's going to be way worse than before. Okay, let me take my phone to the car now. Worse than before. But if you don't have to prepare that much, but just be careful. We don't know yet, but we're pretty sure that's going to hit downtown. So if you live close to downtown or in downtown, good luck to you. Well, that was news. Bye. That was fast. Let me get a grocery cart. I need to stock up on supplies. Let's get some Doritos. Some ice cream. I know I shouldn't steal it just so. Oh, I already had Doritos. Just put that back in. We need some water, obviously. Stock up on that. Milk. Some Coca-Cola. It's gonna have to be necessary. Okay. An apple. Banana. Green apple. Okay, I think that's all the stuff, so I'll just do self-checkout and checkout. Okay, got all my stuff in. There's a sheriff here. Why is it? Because it's... So just putting it in here. Okay, let's move quick. I think we're in the sheriff's way. Oh, the sheriff's in our way. Let's go to the hospital to see if getting supplies because I have a kit. Okay, let's just park. Okay. Pharmacy. No one's here. I wonder why I'm pretty scared. Let me just grab all these medicines just in case. Okay. I think we got enough supplies. I think the prisoner just escaped me. The police officer was so scared that my house isn't over there. My house is over here. Oh, it's over here. Please help. Bad for this guy. I'm gonna try to find a granola bar or something. This guy keeps stuck here. Have some water for him. Okay. think people are getting a little scared because this thing is happening. Okay, yep, this is my house. I just kind of got nervous. I forgot to even wear my house. But, oh, why is this girl doing here? Yes, please help me. Please help me. No money does my mommy. I can give them a few dollars. Hello, do you want the money? You want the money? Where are they going? Hey, I'm trying to give you some money. Kid, can you grab the money? I got the money. I don't got the bag full of money. Don't expect me to give you a bag full. Just running away for some reason. Well, let me go. Okay. Let's just unlock my house. Always lock it. Okay. Got some supplies. Wait, why am I up here? Okay, yeah, we're gonna fill the fridge with all the stuff. So it can cool down. Okay, there. Okay, it's all empty. Oh, I forgot about that thing. Okay. Oh, I left the boxes in the car. Oops. Forgot that I locked it. Okay, it's good. Now just search for the boxes. No, I don't want to sit in the car. Okay. Where's the boxes? I don't know why it's so hard to find boxes. Just found the box. Okay. I got some stuff I can put in here. Okay, let's look. I know we got something in. Could help. I could put some beds right here. Okay, it's gonna hard to see. Okay, and okay, this also can be like a place. I think, oh, here's a 2-bunker bed that'll fit more people for less space. This tent doesn't have a lot of space, but it would help. Okay, I can put something right here. Okay, and I can say okay, for people who need help. Here's a little clinic, because probably when it comes, oops, put the bed instantly right there. Clinic, it might not last too long because the tornado, but probably everything's going crazy, and maybe the hospitals too. So this would be handy. Did I just realize this kind of looked just like a ghost town? Now let me search through the box. I know I put the medicine somewhere to help. Yes, here. Okay, and I think this is where the medicines are. Yep, I can put that in there. So that's the first aid kit. Oops. Okay, so to my clinic. It's Monday. It's starting very soon. I took a while to set clinic and haven't done anything for myself. Let me go downstairs. There's a cool feature of my house. You can turn to a fun house or a basketball court. But it will stay as a basketball court right now because a fun house takes a lot of space. This may be the last time I see Brookhaven again. Hopefully it's not too bad, but okay, let me just search through this. It's probably gonna be very cold. So I'm just gonna set up a little tent. Oh, I think people are going a little crazy and scared about what's about to happen. Well, I am pretty scared. No, I don't want that color. Yep, I want this color. Here's sleeping bags. I got some medicine for myself in case it happens. Okay, gonna get some food from upstairs. Where could the food be? Okay, I know it's somewhere. Okay, I think I found it. I don't want this. I don't want this around my house. Okay, got some of this. Some of this. We got some foods that we can recharge. Okay, we got those things. Okay, 2 refills so that we can water the plants. Also a bucket. I just forgot something. We need a toilet. I've been staying up for a long time. Tornado's about to come. And I don't know what is going to happen. Hopefully nothing bad. Okay, probably something bad. So I brought some clothes because I'm probably gonna be staying out here for, oh, I don't want any clothes. Staying down here for a while. Actually, I'm gonna move my stuff over here. It looks nice. It's Tuesday. It's probably starting very soon. Now, why did I take away the tent? That was tent. The tent was beautiful. Okay. Here. Here. Seems like someone did that. I cannot deal with anyone. I don't have any room. They're gonna have to know a tornado starting minutes. Have they want to news? A tornado is starting in a minute. Minutes. Some people took some. Okay, there's some missing, so I have plenty of those. And also, well, this might be the end of Brookhaven. Can't help I don't have any room. I only have enough food person. Because I know without food, people get angry and cranky. I only got enough for me. I wasn't expecting for me. Not anyone else. Before the tornado starts, I gotta make a bathroom real quick. It's gonna start really soon. The end of Brookhaven, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Well, this has been a nice time. It's terrible. It's garbage day. It's garbage day. Let's check out the news. Okay, hello. I think I'm in a station. Yeah, like one station. I actually just put screen to look like a station. Right now, I'm in my basement, all ready for the tornado. Just gotta say, tornado's just starting in a minute, seconds. So I'm just talking to you right now, and here's some live footage of the tornado. I'm gonna do bad, so hopefully you got stocked of food like I do, and hopefully we all survive. Well, oh, it seems like the countdown timer has gone down a lot. It's starting in 10 seconds. Bye. Wait, what? Here's a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Oh no. No, brace. Okay, so now I'm super rich. I got connection, cause yeah, I got connection anyway. I got free connection, so I'm just gonna So yeah, tornado hit, but like Brookhaven's like destroyed. Even though that was pretty, so and also it's really bad to get outside. There's everywhere, and probably if you didn't board your house would probably, the glass, and maybe it's already torn apart, so you don't want to go up probably. Oh no, I forgot I didn't board up my house. It doesn't seem torn up. Oh, I should have boarded up that could have broke. Could be really bad. I'm really lucky. Well, I guess this is my life now. I am staying here for a while. Well, let's see how this ends. A week later. Oh, hey guys, welcome back. I see it's been a long time, just trying to make it feel more like home. But it really doesn't. So yeah, this is just my place alone. But gladly, with all my hard work of building, I build. Oh, no, not that. That looks embarrassing. What did I build? I built a Brookhaven TV. Sometimes it goes a little off. Because like the tornado stuff. But with all my hard work building, I've made this so they connect. So it isn't the best, but it's good. And also that's yeah, it's just really tiring. And you're like probably like morning ironing your PJs in a. Oh, I just realized I forgot to put PJs since just the tornado happening. And like like the news lady, like the news person thought it was like it's not a good idea to go outside, so I haven't been outside for a whole week, and I don't want to see what happened to Brookhaven. Probably a total mess. And also I forgot to pour my house. It's probably covered in glass, and I don't want to risk getting splintered. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you over what everything looks like. So I also got some medicines. I got some medicines over here. And yeah, I'm just trying to like set it up. Cause yeah, me didn't set it up. I just like kept it in place.
Jenna.
Yeah. What?
You want pizza?
Sure.
You want pizza, baby?
So that was just my dad.
Your family?
Yep. He's here. And this was part 1. I'll see you later. Hopefully we survive.